Hi everybody, welcome back to another food review on the Vlogging channel. My name is Nick Manzione, thank you for joining me today. Well folks, it's good to be back doing food reviews, and I want to thank you for joining me today. I have something very special and very new for you that just came out yesterday. I went back to Subway and got the new carved turkey and bacon sandwich. So now let me open this up for you, and you can see the bacon. I added black olives. I believe there's cheese in here too, but I'm not even gonna. Let's see. I'm not even gonna waste your time, folks. Let's get into this and see if this is any good. This is supposed to be real carved turkey, so hopefully it is. So let's go. Mm. Oh my god. Let's take a couple more bites. Mm. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull off a piece of the turkey, and here's the turkey. Mm. Wow. Let's take one more bite, folks. Mm-hmm. Okay. So now, here's my instant analysis, folks. You saw the turkey. Here's the bacon. The turkey's on there too with the olives. Let's take this bite. You know what? That is not bad at all. I'm very impressed. The turkey tastes like when you carve it at Thanksgiving. It tastes like all the white meat is on there, and I don't believe it's any dark meat. No, it's all white meat, which is awesome. Oh man, that's pretty good. So, let's take one more bite. I'm sorry, folks. I'm eating this right in front of you. I'm making you hungry. I'm sorry. It's like being at Thanksgiving. I wish there was gravy in here. I really wish there was gravy. I don't know what kind of sauce they put in here. I think it was sweet onion sauce. They wanted me to put mayonnaise, but I don't. I didn't think mayonnaise would go with turkey, so I put sweet onion sauce. Ooh, this is awesome. Um, the smokiness of the turkey is the star of the show right here. Mm. Um, Combination of the black olives, the the sweet onion sauce, the smokiness of the turkey, the bacon, the cheese works very well in this combination, and I'm really impressed. This is a very strong effort by Taco or by not Taco Bell, Subway. Um, hold on. Here's a piece of turkey meat. And, oh, ladies and gentlemen, if that's not real turkey, I don't know what is. Mmm, that's definitely white meat. Although I wonder if it has any tryptophan in it. Uh-oh, I gotta check that out. But, oh my god, folks, this is so good. Let's rate this on the scale of 1 to 10. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give the new Subway roasted carved turkey and bacon sandwich a rating of. I'm gonna give this a strong rating of an 8.5. I think it's very strong for Subway standards. I think it's very good. I think this is better than the rotisserie chicken. The combination of flavors is awesome. Does this beat Earl sandwich? Absolutely not. Nothing beats Earl sandwich, and nothing beats Publix. Uh, the how they the how they subjugate a Publix to turkey cranberry. But I believe this is a strong effort by Subway, and I really do think you should go try this, folks, because it's a very strong effort by Subway. I am liking this again. For a 6-inch sub, I paid $7 for it. For a 12-inch sub, I paid $7 for. For a 6-inch sub, I think it's $4.50. So that's not a bad price off of what you get, and it's real carved turkey, folks. That's the selling point of this. It's real carved turkey. Which I'm impressed by this, and I hope you are too. This gets an 8.5 out of 10. Go to your local Subway, tell them Nick Manzione sent you, and pick up a new roasted turkey and bacon, roasted carved turkey and bacon sub from Subway. You won't be disappointed, folks. I will be honest with you, you won't be disappointed. Mm. Mm. Well, folks, that would do it for my review as I eat the whole entire sub right in front of you. I'm going to thank you for joining me. It feels good to be back doing food reviews, and I couldn't do food reviews without your support. So thank you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys make my job awesome. You guys make the channel what it is today, and I thank you for it. And please like, please share, please subscribe to all my videos. And until next time, folks, this is Nick Manzoni, going to finish this, going to enjoy this, and from the Food Lab, folks, I am signing off for another video. I will see you tomorrow, and I love you guys. Take care.